If you didn't go to business school, good, because today I am going to show you how to learn real business faster than any textbook ever could. No degrees required, just raw truth from a business owner who learned the hard way. Hi, my name is Davies. I run a pressure washing business and I am on a mission to help aspiring entrepreneurs build and grow profitable businesses without wasting years in classrooms. If you've ever felt like school didn't teach you how to actually make money, this video is your shortcut. So let us get started. Number one, start a small service business. The best business school is in the streets. You'll learn more by starting a small service business like cleaning, freelancing, or reselling than 4 years in lectures. It teaches you sales, negotiation, pricing, customer service all in one. Real experience beats theory. 2. Shadow a business owner or a mentor. Find someone doing what you want to do and work under them, even for free. You will learn in months what takes others years. The proximity to success is priceless. 3. Read these 3 books. The E-Myth Revisited by Michael Gerber, $100 Startup by Chris Galibo, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. These 3 books will reshape your mindset, strategy, and confidence. 4. Document your journey online. Whether it is YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, start creating content about what you're learning and you're doing. It builds your brand and it attracts an audience and brings in many opportunities. And you know what? You'll learn faster by teaching others. 5. Build high income skills, not just hobbies. Focus on learning skills that drive revenue. For example, like sales, copywriting, digital marketing, video editing. These skills open doors. No degree is required. 6. Invest in online courses and communities. A $100 course from someone doing it is often more valuable than a $40,000 degree. Pay to skip the guesswork, but vet your mentors. Don't follow people who only sell courses but have never paid payroll or filed taxes. 7. Take action before you feel ready. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. Clarity comes through motion, not planning forever. 8. Fail fast, learn faster. Your mistakes are your curriculum. Don't fear failure. Document it, learn from it, and keep moving. Every failure is a business lesson in disguise. If you want to succeed in business, start small, learn fast, and stay consistent. School is optional, but execution is mandatory. If you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below what business you are starting or thinking of starting. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.